Do you want to fix the hole in your camera? Hey guys, Omar here. And if you remember from a couple of videos ago, I talked about how I had dropped my Fuji X-T20. I had it during an event and I had a grip on it. I also had a sort of holster mount metal piece on it, which made it really heavy. And I just flat out dropped it. And you know, like when you drop your phone and you kind of like kick it and it fumbles, like it's, you know, it's okay when it falls because you kind of break its fall. Or when something falls, it bounces a little bit, you know it's okay. This did not bounce. It went straight whack, did not even move, just bam. I picked up the camera and it was totally fine. I tested the flip screen and I looked around and I hadn't seen any kind of damage to it at all. And then a few days later, I noticed that the camera did have a hole in it. Which brings us to today's video. I wasn't even really gonna make this video, but we had a comment by Jamie. This video is totally dedicated to Jamie, and it represents why I love you guys, because I try to make these videos to help people, but below in the comments we have such a nice little community going on, people either helping each other or asking great questions that other people answer. So this one goes out to Jamie because he said, why don't you get some black Sugru and repair your camera. So today we're gonna try to repair the hole in the camera, and I've never used Sugru before, and we're gonna see if it works. So if you happen to get a hole in your camera or in any other kind of electronic, will this work for you? I've never used Sugru before, so not a real how-to, more like a can I. So those of you that don't know, Sugru is a, what's it say here? Moldable glue. If you leave it for 24 hours, it kind of stiffens up and gets hard. Whoa! So let's just play around, see if we can actually use the Sugru to fix the hole in the camera, and I'll tell you how it goes. All right, let's see what this moldable glue looks like. There's like a little thing to cut here, and oh, if you can see, here's the issue. Here's the hole in the camera right there, and let's try to fix it. Oh no, it just came out. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? All right, this just fell out. Don't know if we can put this back in. Very moldable. Thank you, Sugru, moldable glue. Not bad. At least there's no hole in the camera anymore. Sorry if that was cringy for any Sugru experts out there. That was my first time using it. I basically just wanted to plug up the hole. The little eyelet falling off, that was total surprise. And after 24 hours, I'll check to see if I can actually put a little ring or anything on there for a wrist mount. But I don't know if I would trust to actually carry the camera through this little eyelet that's floating in this goo. But we'll see, maybe it works out. Anyway, I hope that helps someone out there who wants to fix the hole in your camera.